Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to bake vegetable with sausage in the oven. Ingredients: asparagus, baby carrot, potato, broccoli, and onion.
Well, I don't know how much this is going to be, probably
Just spread all over.
Okay, and we're going to toss in a little minced garlic. A tablespoon or so.
Salt.
We're going to sprinkle on some kosher salt. Probably a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons. And we're just going to hit it with a little bit of just ground pepper. Black pepper. Okay.
Butter.
No, we do that when we put that on, when we put it on the dish. We're just going to stir it around. In fact, I'm just going to toss it to get the olive oil mixed around and everything get a little bit on it. Yeah, I like those onions. That looks nice. Okay.
That's the pan right here.
All right, let's put the pan over here. And here we go. We're just going to get this and the rest of the garlic and the oil and drop it down on there. Okay. Yep.
Spread them around.
Then we just kind of shake it down and then spread the broccoli around and turn the heads up. Okay. That looks good.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Let's see. I think we're just going to go with half a stick of butter or margarine. And we'll just spread it around evenly in the pan. About like that. Okay.
And the stove for 400.
In there last night.
We put it inside. Okay.
Okay. We're going to set the timer. What did we say? 30 minutes. And then throw them in, and we're just going to keep stirring them around until we get a little bit of browning going on. And we'll set it aside. Then when we take our vegetables out at the 30-minute mark, we'll add this on.
cheese one side and another one side. No cheese. 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Alright.